Now carve the meat the way you like it. Check it's nice and tender on the inside and crispy on the outside. This is a wonderful dish for any occasions, parties. Make it a center of your occasion or party. I'm sure everyone will love it. It's simple and easy. Just you need more time to prepare. Serve with potatoes and gravies on top. Serve it with any side dish, any vegetables or salad. Enjoy this meal. Hope you like this dish, and you can cover the rest of the meat with foil and refrigerate. This will stay fresh for 1 week or more. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to Indian Curry Recipes and leave me your feedback. Thank you. Bye.